Hello, hello, you multidimensional beings. Now, listen, I am recording this video for the 10th time, maybe not 10th, the 5th time. And if my voice sounds a bit weak, then excuse-moi, you understand why. Like my tongue is getting twisted because I've been talking too much. So let's hope this time it's gonna go smooth. Okay, anyhow. Guys, are you ready for the real talk with Sylvia? Again. If you are, then let me ask you a question. Be honest. Are you still struggling to get real buyer traffic that doesn't require paid ads, SEO headaches, or social spamming? If so, then hello again, and let me introduce you to something most marketers either don't know exists, I don't know, or completely overlook. Well, it is called parasite traffic, and as much as real parasites are pretty, not pretty yucky, ooh, I hate them, I would say yes to parasite traffic. And by the way, apparently pumpkin seeds are very good and effective when dealing with parasites. I'm very much into, all this holistic stuff. Anyhow, yes, so if you use parasite traffic, it can bring in daily evergreen clicks from trusted platforms without spending a dime. All right, fasten your seatbelt or seatbelts or however. Okay, I don't know how many seatbelts you're wearing, but in today's video, I am going to number one, break down exactly what parasite traffic is. Number two, show you the best platforms to tap into. Number three, share critical do's and don'ts to avoid bans and wasted effort. And I'll be referring to my own personal experience. Nothing speaks louder than personal experience, right? Okay, and finally, number four, I'll show you how this connects with a powerful system I recently reviewed called Free Buyer Clicks for Life by the one and only SEO expert, Mark Gray. Mr. Mark Gray, yeah, drum roll, he's great. He used to be my mentor at some point in the past, and I'm so grateful for his beautiful heart, he's a good-hearted human being, he has helped me big time, with my SEO, YouTube SEO, big time. Anyhow, let's dive in. So, what is parasite traffic? That was a question, right? No, the answer is coming. All right. Parasite traffic is basically when you borrow, quote unquote, borrow the domain authority and build in audience of high authority platforms, guys. I'm talking about Medium, LinkedIn, YouTube, Reddit, Google, sites, both, I guess. Google Doc, to get your content published on those platforms, ranked and seen without building a blog or spending on paid ads. You understand? Do you comprehend? As Mr. Alessandro Zamboni often says in his training courses, do you comprehend? I love Alessandro Zamboni, by the way. I don't know why I'm talking about Alessandro Zamboni. I love his Italian accent. Right. So instead of owning the platform, back to parasite traffic, back to Mother Earth. So instead of owning the platform, you leverage this high authority platform. Yeah, guys, it's very easy. You leverage the high authority platform. And that's the whole idea. Simple as that. No point of overthinking, overcomplicating. And yeah, I could go on. So basically you write the trust and traffic, and in return, what? You get content and they get content and engagement. Yes, because you provide the content and possibly engagement. So it's smart, it's legal, and it's powerful if done right. And oh my gosh, I do hope it makes sense. Right, moving on. Stay calm and focused, Sylvia. Moving on. Now let me give you my personal short list of parasite traffic gold mines. Number one, Medium. Excellent for SEO, but be careful with the links. More that later, so stay tuned. Number two, LinkedIn. So Medium was number one, right? Number two, LinkedIn. Gosh, still shockingly underused. I mean, what a shocker. What a shocker. Because it's so amazing for buyer intent content. Gosh, I mean, well, so many serious, like seriously loaded, serious professionals with big wallets on LinkedIn, you know. Okay, number three, Google Sites. Did I say Google Slides? I mean, those rank too if you make them public. But yeah, Google Sites, free SEO friendly and a great bridge page tool. I mean, fantastical. Okay, moving on. Number four, I would say Quora and Reddit. They're great for sort of like question and answer. Okay, so you answer people's questions, but with value, not spamming. Do not spam. And number five, I would say YouTube. Well, it's not just a platform, it's a search engine. A bit of a different story, but yeah, it still sort of like applies. Okay, honestly, this is the exact method Mark Gray teaches in Free Buyer Clicks for Life. However, he is focusing on LinkedIn and Medium mainly, exclusively, mainly, exclusively. Which one, Sylvia? Exclusively. And these are most powerful ones, I would say, so good stuff. Okay, let me give you a quick personal story here. When I first started publishing product reviews, and you might have heard it in my other videos, okay, reviews on Medium, I thought I was doing everything right. Clean layout, SEO in place, value-packed content, and so on and so forth, you know the drill. But I linked some of my Medium stories, just some of them, directly to my affiliate offers using raw. Okay, oh my goodness, turning into a lioness. So I was using raw affiliate links. By the way, do you say lioness or lioness? Which one is correct? Tell me please in the comment section, because my English is not so good. The lunatic is like seriously in my head. It's screaming, I'll let it out. Okay. So guys, the mistake I was making, I was putting raw affiliate links in my Medium stories. Big no. And you know, as much as I do love it real and raw, especially my real and raw salads, it does not work with Medium. So guess what? Boom. Account suspended. 38 reviews gone with the wind. Whew, painful. But I said to myself, I can't think about it today, because I'll go mad. I'll think about it tomorrow. Scarlett O'Hara got it right, didn't she? What a movie. Massive production in the 80s. No, sorry, 50s, 80s. I was born in the 80s. Anyhow, okay. So here's the golden rule. Never use raw affiliate links on Medium. Never ever. Bad practice. You will get in trouble. You've been warned. Okay, so instead, do what I teach in my bonus, and that's asking ChatGPT to write a pre-sale free report for the offer you will be promoting. Smarty pants. And then you will host it for free on Google Doc bridge page, make it public, get the shareable link, and then insert that Google Doc link inside your Medium or LinkedIn posts, and voila. Oh my goodness, getting tired. Okay, trust me, my bonus will give you the personal prompt I use with ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever AI to create a helpful, valuable pre-sale report. Okay, you know, it's clean, it's compliant, you know. I'm just typing something. And it works magically well. Magically well. That's what I was trying to say, but I didn't succeed. Okay, Now, here's what it all ties together, how it all ties together. And it does. There's a method to this madness, and I'll reveal it. Okay. Mark Gray, who used to be, again, a mentor of mine when I started in affiliate marketing over 4 years ago, he built an entire system around this Parasite strategy, a very smart system. So his course, Free Buyer Clicks for Life, is a case study based training. I love it, okay? Case study. Where he shows you, well, number one, how he gets over 3,000 buyer clicks in 90 days. Well, that's what he got, okay? And then he shows you how to use LinkedIn and Medium like SEO powered click farms. And finally, how to automate the process using ChatGPT and repurpose content across platforms. So pretty smart. And this course itself is solid. Yes, it's super cool. Very good. But I noticed one critical gap as I was watching the content. I always watch the content of all of the products I review. So in the training, Mark suggests using affiliate links if you don't have a website or a landing page. And while I do know his heart is in the right place, that's a Medium account killer, guys. Killer, Terminator. Do not do that, okay? I already told you, no raw affiliate links in your Medium stories or bye-bye, suspend it. It's very apparent he never got in trouble with Medium because I'm talking about Mark Gray, because he actually does it the right way. So, I get it. I'm not here to judge. I get it that he might have not been aware of what happens when you insert your raw affiliate links in your Medium stories. So yeah, I get it. So what was my point? My point is that I did it the wrong way and I did get my Medium account permanently suspended, so I am here to warn you of what not to do. And I created a special custom bonus for all of my buyers of this product, Free Buyer Clicks for Life. And this bonus is my personal GPT bridge page prompt to generate free pre-sale not products, you wish, reports, plus a few extra bonuses, around Medium SEO and account safety, so all good stuff. So this way you're safe, you're smart, and your accounts stay alive and kicking, yeah! And simple minds are happy too. The noise got me distracted. I mean, the helicopters, ambulances going on, all of that. Can you hear the helicopter? It's right above my building. Crazy stuff. But yeah, great tune, right? Alive and sticking. Alive and kicking. Oh my goodness, having too much fun. Alive and kicking, yeah, by Simple Minds. So yeah, guys, don't you forget about me. Those who know, they know. Anyhow, if you're just starting out, Parasite Traffic is the perfect solution because you don't need your own blog, you don't need an audience, you don't need to pay for ads or backlinks. You just need value-based, I do wish to emphasize that, value-based content and the right linking strategy. We did talk about that, didn't we? All right, yes, okay. Yeah, so you're basically leveraging other people's platforms and, getting seen. And isn't that BA beautiful? BA beautiful. Right, okay, so guys, if you're serious about getting real buyer traffic in 2025 and you want a done for you system with training, tools, and my bonuses included, check out the review of Free Buyer Traffic for Life, link in the description below, and don't forget to grab those custom bonuses I mentioned. They're already waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account. Yeah, this is one of those rare methods that actually works. No hype, no tricks, just smart SEO plus smart strategy. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. It seems I did succeed this time. Of course, I had some hiccups as per usual, but when you're recording for the 10th time, your tongue you see, again, gets twisted. I'm tired. Um, but yeah, I do hope you enjoyed. Give me some likes. Come on, give me some love. Give me some comments. Ask questions if there's anything that's still unclear, or just to say hi. Okay, I'm going. Okay, love you and leave you. Bye.